my name is Caitlin. I'm working in Dr. Rachel Collin's lab at the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama, and I am looking at bead particle capture in Crepidula larvae. So the first thing that we do is we pop them off from their substrate or habitat, and if they have a brood, then we take the brood and we excapsulate them. So we just like rip open their capsules. So before we do everything, we have to put the bead solutions in a sonicator. So it's just a normal jewelry cleaner. And put it in there. Need some water. We just use this to prevent the bead solutions from clumping so that they're evenly distributed when we take them up with the micropipette and put them in the solution. So we put the Crepidula larvae in one of these vials, fill it with most way with seawater, filtered seawater, 0.22 microns, and we put these bead solutions. So we've got 5 known concentrations of 5 different size classes from 2 microns all the way up to 90 microns. Here we go. And we put 100 microliters of each solution into each vial. So 2 microns, 100 microliters goes in there. And we have a 6 vial for a cocktail, which is just 100 microliters of each size class in one vial. After all is said and done, we put the Crepidula embryos or larvae in the vial, so they're swimming around, and then we attach them to this fancy rotisserie. So we put attach it and let it spin around for an hour. We use a rotisserie because we want to keep them, the embryos and the and the beads in suspension, so it simulates like a natural water column. Okay, so to visualize the beads that the larvae have eaten, for every bead size except for the 2 micron, we just use normal bright field microscopy. And when you like smush the larvae on the slide, you can just see them visualized within the gut. Otherwise, for the 2 micrometer beads, we have to put them on the slide just like regular. Clay feet. And to visualize these, they're way too tiny to just be seen under normal bright field microscopy. So they're fluorescent. So we have to use a fluorescent scope, which is what this is. And using a mercury bulb, so we turn on the mercury bulb, let it warm up for just a little while. Okay, so you can barely see it, but it's this bright green here. So we use a green filter. You should be able to see through the microscope then are the beads fluorescing, and they're just like the only perfectly circle objects in there, and there might be anywhere from 2 to about like 500. And that's how we visualize beads.